There's something about traveling that just really gets me excited, and especially culinary travel. And then the one place that I've been to that really has just taken my heart away is Italy. And I just love Italy. And when I'm walking the streets, and I'm walking these streets that were walked for hundreds, in some cases thousands of years, through history, through the Renaissance, through all these different ages, it just blows my mind away. And of course, one of the things I love most is culinary travel. I just love experiencing the different flavors, the different ingredients. Cooking over here in Italy is just amazing. And another one of the things that I just truly love, that I've fallen in love with, are the people. The people in Italy are so friendly. And I've made many friends here. To go and see how cheese is being made in various regions, how charcuterie is being cured, and how animals are raised, and the different types of vegetables and the different types of seafood and fish, all the things that make up the culinary history and the culinary experience here in Italy is just fascinating. Cooking in Italy is an amazing experience. To be able to go to the mercato and buy all these wonderful ingredients and then go back to my apartment and cook them, or to, take a couple of cooking classes, or be at the villa and just enjoy that downtime, and to be able to take in the beauty of the villa is, oh my God, phenomenal. There's just so much of Italy to see. I love taking people there to see it, to experience it in a really slow and intentional way. I know for myself, it's transformed my life and changed my life completely. And every time I go, it's a new experience. And today, it's all about seeing friends, making friends, and enjoying life.